In this video, I will be showing you how to solve the issue. Keyboard is not typing properly, but beep sound gets generated. Now to solve this, click on the Windows icon to the leftmost corner. We'll be having settings. Select this. Select ease of access. Here, if you scroll down to the left, under interaction, we'll be having keyboard. And make sure that you are disabling this. Use toggle keys as well as use filter keys. In case if you're having use sticky keys, also disable it, okay? And you can simply disable these, allow the shortcut key for both of these also. So that is done. Now if I go and type, as you can see, I'm not getting any beep sound and everything I type is being generated on the screen. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.